Hello, students. Welcome back to another class of business studies. I'm Neeta Biju. We have studied in our previous class about the directing elements. So, we already completed with one element, that is supervision. Now, we're going to do the next element of directing, that is motivation. So, we are all very familiar with this word motivation. So, what is this motivation? Motivation means inducement to act or move. So, when you are pushing somebody to move positively, then it is called as motivation. So, in the context of an organization, so in an organization, what happens? What is motivation? It means the process of making subordinates to act in a desired manner to achieve the organizational goals. Yes, in an organization, it means a process of making the workers and the employees to act and to work according to the plans and to achieve the organizational goals. So, motivation is something wherein it pushes, it moves, it induces, it persuades, it directs people to do certain tasks and fulfill certain obligations. So, this is what is motivation, to move the people. So, we'll study here the three interrelated terms in motivation before we go to the detail. So, we have the three interrelated important terms here. The first one is motive, the second one is motivation again, and the third one is motivators. So, these are the three interrelated terms. We are going to study this one by one, what it means. So, motive. A motive is an inner state that activates or moves and directs behavior towards goals. Motive arise out of the needs of individuals. For example, hunger, thirst, security, affiliation, comfort, recognition, etc. So, motive means it's something inner state that gives us energy, that activates us, that moves us, or even directs us, and our behavior will change and we behave accordingly towards achieving the goal. So, motivation or so motives arise out of the needs of the individuals. So, it arises as you need. Motives arise out of the needs of the individual. So, when you realize that you need something, you become totally restless, and it makes a person to want that particular thing or reach that particular goal. So, unless he or she reaches that particular goal or gets that particular thing or object, or he is satisfied, will not take rest or will not relax. For example, if you need food, it causes hunger. So, when you need food, hunger comes. So, you search for food, or you go to a restaurant to have food, or you cook food and eat. So, this is how you satisfy yourself. So, this is what is motive. So, some motives like hunger, thirst, security, affiliation, need for comfort, recognition, etc. All these are coming as motive, which will drive or activate a person, and the person behaves like he is restless unless and until he or she receives or achieves that particular goal. This is what is motive. Then we have motivation itself, the second interrelated term, motivation. So, motivation is a process of stimulating people to action to accomplish desired goals. So, motivation depends upon satisfying needs of people. So, what is this motivation? It is a process of stimulating people to action to accomplish desired goals. So, motivation depends on satisfying the needs of the people. So, this is what is moving, pushing, or it is nothing but inducing people, persuading people to do something. Next one is motivators. So, motivator is a technique used to motivate people in an organization. For example, what you use as motivators to make people move to work and achieve the goal is pay bonus, that is extra monetary fund, give promotion, give recognition, praise and appreciation, responsibility, etc. to motivate people to contribute their best. So these are the motivators. So motivator is one technique to motivate the people in the organization especially. So managers or management will use different types of motivators here, like pay bonus or give promotion, appreciation, praise, responsibility, etc. Now we'll study about the definition of motivation. So what is this definition of motivation? According to William G. Scout, motivation means a process of stimulating people to action to accomplish desired goals. As we have already studied, something that pushes you, something that moves you, that's something that encourages you, something that directs you, energizes you to achieve your goal and to fulfill your desires is what is called as motivation. It's a process of stimulating people, encouraging people, directing people to do something. To action means to do something in order to achieve the desired goals, according to William G. Scout. We have one more definition here, according to McFarland. So motivation refers to the way in which urges, drives, desires, aspirations, strivings, or needs direct, control, and explain the behavior of human beings. So according to McFarland, it means again the same, in which it refers to the way in which urges means strong passion or desire, drives, desires, aspirations, your wants, and your focuses, your strivings, your hard work and struggle, or needs, anything for that matter, will direct you and will control your behavior accordingly. So you start behaving in such a manner that every behavior of yours as a human being, every behavior of yours is towards the fulfillment of your needs, of your urges, and of your drives, of your desires, of your aspirations, means what you're aiming at, what you're focusing at, what is your goal, what is your target. So this is what is motivation according to McFarland. So motivation is basically nothing but which induces you, which makes you act accordingly and moves you to achieve a goal, and unless you achieve that goal you are restless and you do not relax. So this is what is motivation. This is all for today's class, dear students. I hope you have understood. We'll study in our next class the features of motivation. Thank you.